So it mentions any country's growth depends upon four big factors. One is the demography, one is the consumption, one is entrepreneurship, and the last is innovation. So if you look at India on all these four parameters, demographics amazing, you have great population. Then consumption, as Sarthak mentioned, is on an inflection, it has increased. Then you have entrepreneurship, and we have seen amazing entrepreneurship ride, which has happened since 2013, 14, after all the startup era came in. And then you have innovation, where I feel, obviously, we can improve a lot there, where your foreign counterparts like US, Israel, these guys do fairly well. Now, if our economy has to go up, consumption has 60%, it has to keep on going up. The issue is that Gen Z is not understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. So you can take bad debt. It's like, let's say if somebody's alcoholic, I'm not, so if somebody's alcoholic and they take one peg, ek raat ko 8 baje ke baad, chalega, you know, then it's bad debt, but you can consume it. So if you have your rules in place that, okay, I will consume one peg, it's okay, chalega, hafte mein 2 baar karenge, so then you can manage it. So bad debt is when you take debt to consume. Now Amazon mentions ki big billion days jo sale hota hai, in that you have from every 4 sales, 3 are on EMI. Just imagine 75% are on EMI. So people are not realizing that EMI is not gonna ever end. वो आपने आईफोन ले लिया नया, उसका स्टोरी डाल दिया, स्टोरी 24 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगा, EMI 5 साल चलेगा.
Irresponsible spending.
Yes. So everybody should understand good debt, bad debt. Good debt is something, if you take debt and you build something, you can build a house, a shop, a piece of land, and a startup. That's good debt. You know, tomorrow you will create something and you can repay that debt. Here you are consuming. So that consumption has to be a very little percentage of your take-home income. If those rules are followed, we can be a good consuming economy and people will not fall in the distress of debt. When Sarthak mentioned a lot of data, I will add one to that. Credit card debt has spiked by 44% in a year. Now just imagine 44% credit card debt. मैं एक लड़की से मिला and I was just amazed at how credit card companies are doing it. She said, मैं ना minimum due pay करती हूँ. तो यार तुम minimum due क्यों pay करते हो भाई? तो she's like, अरे you know the bank told me कि I have to pay only 3.5% interest and in savings bank I get in FD I get 6% interest. I said, madam, हर महीने 3.5% देना है. वहाँ पे साल में एक बार मिलेगा. So the kind of financial awareness we have right now is very, very poor. We are trying our best, but the panel here is not sufficient to proliferate it to the country of 140 crore people.
I think that's a very important point that you made. You know, what we are given to understand is this next generation who we are talking about, they are learning their first lessons in money and finance on reels, on social media. 1 minute reel, 30-second reel of a lesson. Is that a big risk? And how do they identify what is the right, what is the wrong? How do they identify